All right, we are about to begin our meeting. Today is South Korea's National Matchmaking Meeting for Horizon Europe Partnership Program, DUT and CET. Thank you for participation and interesting to Korean partners. Today's meeting is performed for promote Korean researchers who is seeking for DUT and CET partnership researchers. This is today's program. So now it is opening, and first I will introduce Korea R&D's participation in Horizon Europe Partnership Program, which is called DUT and CET. And second, Korean researchers will promote their institutions and main technologies and interested research areas for DUT and CET partnership. There are 6 researchers who will present today. And next, after those 2 sessions, there will be Q&A and discussion or promote your international partners for collaboration until 6 p.m. in Korean time, around 2 hours. So I'm really happy to participate actively for this meeting. Let me introduce our KAIA's participation for Horizon Europe Partnership Program. Horizon Europe is one of the most active multilateral global joint R&D program, research program internationally, which is managed by European Commission. Horizon Europe consists of 3 pillars, and the part that South Korea can participate in with its current membership status is Pillar 2, so-called red circle. In terms of Horizon Europe's membership status of Korea, Korea currently has 3rd country status, but can participate as an associate member starting next year. Pillar 2 is comprised of various fields, which is called clusters, such as health, culture, creativity, inclusive society, digital industry and space, climate, energy and mobility, food, bioeconomy, and etc. The land infrastructure and transport sector, which KAIA is involved in, is most closely related to this cluster 5, climate, energy, and mobility sectors. In addition to research conducted in line with the strategy established by EC, European Commission, this Pillar 2 has the following individual research partnerships. There are a total of 49 European partnerships for now, and the partnership program funds its program budget with some funding from Horizon Europe and self-funding from each country, industry, and others. KAIA is currently participating in DUT and CET, which is called Driving Urban Transitions and Clean Energy Transition, which are eligible to participate with 3rd country status, as I mentioned, among the following partnerships. Clean Energy Partnership, first, is a global research partnership program in the clean energy sector to achieve a global climate neutral society by 2050, diversify Europe's energy supply, and strengthen value chains. Driving Urban Transition Partnership, which is called DUT, is also a global research partnership program in the field of urban complexity to carry out European and global missions on climate change and to address various urban issues and explore urban agendas. KAIA supports a total of 0.6 million for DUT 2024 call and 0.2 million in 2024, and supports the 50-minute city theme. In DUT, there are three research topics, which is called 50-minute city and PED, positive energy district, and circular urban economy. But KAIA will support only for the 15-minute city for this year. The 15-minute city topic has 3 subtopics as follows. Topic 1 to 3. And when proposing a project, you may include all those subtopics or just one of the subtopics. CET's 2024 call will support, KAIA will support a total of 0.6 million with 0.2 million in 2004. And we will support the core module 10, only for core module 10 topic, which is clean energy integration in the built environment. There are also 3 challenges in the core module 10 topic, which is called CM10. And when proposing a project, just like DUT, you may include all or just one of the challenges. KAIA plans to provide research budget support to all company, university, and research organization, partnership projects, a selected partnership project, and local governments, non-governmental organizations, associations, or foundations are not eligible for funding, but they can participate in the consortium as cooperate partners. As consortium roles, this figure below, image below. In addition, restrictions on participation by research institutes and researchers, payment of company's budget to the research budget, and collection of technological fees are subject to the Korean National Research R&D Innovation Act and related laws and regulations. The partnership budget scheme is as shown in the right image below, where each country's funding agency and research institute sign a grant agreement and pay the budget, manage, and report expenses. Here are the important schedules for Call 2024 for each partnership. Pre-proposal submission are required by November and will be evaluated by January of next year, around January. Full proposals are required from February to April of next year and will be submitted, evaluated, and announced by July of next year. Korea will sign an agreement starting in September of next year and conduct research for the period proposed by the research institute. The maximum R&D period that can be proposed is 36 months. And also, please be aware not to miss the pre-proposal and full proposal submission date and times. And next is the websites and contact information for each partnership. In particular, you can search for researchers by country and topic of interest on the matchmaking platform. And you can also search for projects that are looking for researchers at this platform. So left this image below. You can filter the countries or their interested topics by in this platform. I hope that Korean Research Institute researchers will actively participate in this Horizon Europe Partnership Program and promote international joint R&D with international researchers in various countries. Thank you for listening. Thank you for participation. From now on, there will be presentations by Korean researchers seeking international researchers. Researchers who want to participate in DUT will present first and followed by CT. First, Pyeongtaek University and Hannam University will present. The presentation time is 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I am Professor Kim Jong-un at Pyeongtaek University, and I am here with Professor Baek Han-yeol at Hannam University. Our work focuses on urban design and planning, as well as a smart city and urban mobility system. We have designed a 15-minute series for the Korean city of Jeju and Daejeon. Additionally, I gained experience in smart city projects during my time at Samsung and LG. Our current research is on considering urban mobility system in the 15-minute city, system innovation and proximity policy for sustainable city. This is a 3-year project. First year, we will analyze the current urban mobility system, involve local community, identify barrier, and build an initial model. Second year, we will develop prototype, test new policy, collect real-time data, and improve performance based on the result. Third year, we will expand the successful model to other cities, integrate policy into urban plan, and host seminar to share our finding. We are looking for partner from university, research institute, or company in Germany, France, and Austria. However, we are also open to working with anyone from other regions. If you are interested in working with us, please reach out. We are excited to collaborate with anyone who shares our vision for sustainable urban mobility. Thank you for listening. We hope to connect with the partner to work on creating better, more sustainable city. Please feel free to contact us if you are interested. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. Next, KAIA will present. KAIA is an association in the field of land infrastructure and transport data, and participated in this meeting on behalf of their companies. The presentation time is the same, 10 minutes.
Yes, hello. Presenter of a new multi-level collaborate international research DUT project. This is Park Jong-min, CEO of SDI Co. Ltd., the International Drone Standard Industry Association. 다음으로 어떻게 넘기죠, 그래? First of all, I am honored to announce this multi-lateral collaborative research project. Now let's start the project. I am currently a representative of the International Drone Standard Industry Association and SDI Co. Ltd. He is active as a member of the governance ISO International OGC, Special Information Standard Committee, and ICT International Standard Expert. As for my main experience, I specialize in the drone and UAM industry, which are important tasks in the special information-based land transportation and logistic data industry. Next, 한번 넘겨주세요. We are proposing Korea's government drone service policy project based on our experience in domestic and international special information, drone transportation, and UAM international conference, and we hope to contribute to the standardizations of Korea's excellent industrial technology in the global international community, including Singapore and Indonesia and Germany and Uzbekistan. Our main business areas are supplying drone service platforms, including pest control, delivery, surveillance, and reconnaissance and inspection. We are promoting overall service support drone system. Next. And in addition, we are providing UAM infrastructure infrastructure construction service based on the future land, transportation and logistic data. We provide UAM technology service and consumer-oriented UAM transportation service data. As a core competence, we aim to supply drones and UAM service, which are the center of future national transportation mobility through special information-based data. Next. Next, for example, in the case of Uzbekistan and Europe, new agricultural technology is needed. And based on this, drone pest control and logistic delivery technology can be applied to achieve economic effects through time and cost saving of about 30% or more. Next. Lastly, through this future drone-based UAM and transportation infrastructure service, we hope to contribute to national economic development by revitalizing the economic development of cities and countries, improving vulnerabilities in these logistics, and providing drone inspection service. In addition, through the provision of the UAM infrastructure-based service platform, you will provide a variety of consumer-oriented transportation and logistic platform data service, such as transportation, logistic, and the cultural tourism industry. Currently, this organization is supplying various drone-based land transportation logistics service to the Uzbekistan government, Indonesia, Germany, Japan, and England drone companies and government, and the Korean government and the city. Lastly, I hope that the Horizon Europe Partnership Consortium, you will have a fruitful meeting through the supply of excellent Korean technology through this multi-table level cooperative research exchange project.
Thank you for the presentation. Next, last for DUT, Schmosslab will present.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad to be here today to talk about Schmosslab. Before the presentation, I will present in place of our representative, who is unavoidably absent today. Sorry about that. Schmosslab is specialized in AI and managing big data. Since 2017, we've been an innovative startup and AI voucher supplier focusing on research and developing products based on AI technology, particularly machine learning and deep learning. Our work centers on understanding the characteristics of species, services, and human. Our final destination is to provide AI agents that help people make smart choices for a more convenient, safer, and better quality of life. We do this through AI and big data technology. The research leaders at Schmosslab are experts with over 30 years of experience in data science research and development. They are involved in important projects such as smart cities, compact cities, and urban digital twins, which are simulations of cities. They also serve on expert committees, including one that identifies and supports households in crisis for the Ministry of Health and Welfare, and another for the Sejong City Smart City Promotion Headquarters. After years of research on what we call complex cognitive GOAI for solving local community problems, we've created a product named SPSEC GOAI. This product has several key features. It can learn on its own itself without being explicitly programmed, which we call unsupervised machine learning. It can give precise many different labels and combine different types of spatial data. It understands situational information using a method called semantic ontology. And it can predict when and where congestion might happen. We also have advanced image recognition technology. This includes symmetric segmentation of geographic and topographic images, object re-identification, and ability to identify and classify moving vehicles. We've used this technology to create products like smart parking and license plate number. Looking ahead, we want to use our technology and products to study urban mobility in a new way. We are very interested in how all types of vehicles, including personal mobility devices, such as move around cities. We want to understand how this movement relates to characteristics of different species and human behavior patterns. We expect this research to have three main benefits of effects. First, we could recognize what's happening in the city in real time using many types of data. Second, we could subdivide urban mobility based on how they move in small area of the city. Third, we could provide customized mobility suggestions by forecasting risk and traffic congestions. Schmosslab has many talented people from around the world. We hope to work with partners from three specific countries, France, Belgium, and Spain. We believe these partnerships could open up new possibilities in our urban mobility research. Thank you for all your time today. It's been a pleasure sharing, Schmosslab's work with you today. Thank you.
Thank you for presentation. Now, Korean researchers who want to participate CET will present. First, GIG company. Could you please present?
Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm Hyunho Lee, the CTO of Global Identity Group, and we are interested in CET projects. Our company is conducting research in various fields for sustainable Zero City. Our CEO, Yonggi Lee, received a PhD in IT application technology. Our main research area is the source technology for smart city and Zero City. We conducted research on multifunctional smart poles based on solar energy. We also developed SOMPA communication technology, which is an ultra-high speed and long-distance Wi-Fi technology, one of the key technologies for smart city. The topic of interest in this multilateral cooperation exchange business is clean energy integration in built environments. The research topic we are planning is high-efficiency hydrogen energy production technology based on water electrolysis and vaporization. This technology consists of three core technologies. The first is the technology for a device that electrolyzes and vaporizes water. In the case of water electrolysis, it is a device that extracts hydrogen gas through an electrical reaction of water and generates hydrogen gas in a form that can be applied to a generator. It is the device on the left in the first photo. It is a technology that can be mainly applied to automobile engines, generators, or else. In the case of water vaporization, it is a device that vaporizes water to extract hydrogen gas and immediately converts it into heat energy. It corresponds to the device on the right in the first photo. It is a technology that can be mainly applied to household gas ranges and boilers. The second is a multi-step structure electrode plate technology for electrolysis. This is the main core component of the device introduced first. And it is a technology that can generate hydrogen gas with high efficiency compared to existing electrolysis devices. The third is a core technology applied to water vaporization, which is a nozzle that generates flames when the vaporized hydrogen gas is converted into heat energy. This is a technology that can effectively transmit heat energy with less energy compared to existing nozzle that emit flames. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. And next will be KAIA will present again.
Hello, I am Hongcheol Kim from Korea Association for Land Infrastructure Transport Data Advancement. I would like to introduce the organization of our association, KAIA. We have 4 major participants. I am a Secretary General of Association and a Research Fellow at Seoul National University AI Institute. Youngjin Kim is an executive of the association who is a CEO of SF company and a participant in the Smart City Challenger project by Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport. Jun-sung Bang is an executive of the association and CEO of Y-Matics. Also, a professor of UST University of Science and Technology. Woo-sik Oh is a member of the association who is a CEO of Performance Way Consulting and also a president of the Korea Groundwater Utilization Association. Next. We experienced in 2 major research and development areas. In 2023, we developed a real-time power and electrical safety analysis system with a data-based smart innovation technology for senior welfare centers, which were R&D of energy saving and integrated safety solutions. Also, R&D for an IoT-based uninterruptible energy safety management system in multi-use facilities. The next major R&D part was development of water and energy simultaneous heating and cooling heat pump. This research was performed smart farm R&D by using groundwater for heating and cooling under the Rural Development Administration, which was applied to various sites. Moreover, this experience was supported the demonstration for greenhouse gas reduction technology innovation using groundwater in Seoul. Using groundwater is a key technology system that we applied on these research areas. A patent technology of using groundwater developed a simultaneous heating and cooling heat pump. and demonstrated a smart farm by also utilizing ground energy. Next. The major topic is in this presentation is real-time energy analysis and safety control and integrated energy transition focused on groundwater. We have three dilemmas. The first one is inevitability of increased energy consumption, including electricity due to climate change. The second dilemma is emphasis on energy conservation through pressure on carbon credits such as RE100. The last dilemma is the burden of expanding welfare for the society disadvantage in an aging society. If you have similar challenges like this dilemmas, we would like to collaborate and solve these challenges together. Next page. Here are two research plans for real-time energy analysis and safety control and integrated energy transition focused on groundwater. The first suggested plan is real-time power usage analysis. This will develop real-time carbon emission calculation which is linked to carbon emissions trading and control system, and also will demonstrate public facilities such as senior centers as test beds. Next suggestion plan is implementing of integrated RE100. This will reduce costs about 50% to 70% compared with existing systems. By integrating energy with heat pump-based groundwater, simultaneous cooling and heating system. Also, this will demonstrate and validate the optimal implementation of RE100 and carbon neutrality by using public facilities as test beds. Hamburg German Aerospace Research Institute team is planning to visit Korea on 29th October to discuss about GAIA X use case, and also there is a possible to cooperate with the European institutions and universities. Let's contribute to addressing climate, population, and welfare issues through innovation, energy, integration, and transition method together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Kim. And next, the last will be SOiVA R&D. Mr. Sang-Yong
everyone.
Kim. Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sang-Yong Kim. I'm charge of the SOiVA R&D. The SOiVA means service-oriented interactive video application. SOiVA is the technology, the nomination name. It can be make the one between the SOC. SOC is the service-oriented computing by the telecommunication of the government. The other one is the service-oriented capital. That's collaborated telecom vendor and the card vendors make the electric government system. We call it the cloud computing world. The data cannot make the governance. Only governance data can make the governance like a smart city. So we can make the clean energy. How to make? I think from the data, we have to make the data for only clean energy. So I want to suggest the topic based on the SOiVA. SOiVA is the standard of the Korean National Information Agency. I'm the commissioner and the editor of Korean National Information Agency, and also I'm a commissioner of the Korea Telecommunication Technology Association. So SOiVA already can make the governance data from the Korea government global standardizations. I want to make the smart city clean energy governance data. But it could be make the R&D individual the Canada based, UK based, and Korea based, because the 24 hours, the hours, the 8 hours, the distance, Korea and Canada and the United Kingdom. So if we can make the this topic based the project R&D can success, we can make the clean energy global the standard the governance data. That's my goal. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the presentation for all Korean researchers. I think I'd rather wrap up this meeting, and the researchers who presented today will I want to request to join the matchmaking platform to make another collaboration, okay, for Korean partners. And as you left your email address, I'll send each other to Korean partners and international partners. So thank you for today's participation and presentation and active participation. Have a nice day. Have a
Thank you.
Nice
Bye-bye.
day. Thank you.
Thank you
Goodbye.
very much. Bye.